Take a ride in the 2019 Ford F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, electronic stability control, fog lights, power windows, security system, compass, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, tachometer, brake assist, tilt steering wheel, driver vanity mirror, passenger vanity mirror, front license plate bracket, speed control. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.